Shesha. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can work around with geolocation and generate reports for your investigation in Autopsy. So the first thing that you can do is you can click on the two dots available, which will allow you to get details of the geolocation. Now there are a lot of things inside geolocation that you can work around. Now in basic terms, geolocation is the location of the file on the map or geographically. So let's take an example. If I have a certain file that I created, a certain photo that I had taken in India, and the photo was then sent via airdrop to someone in UK after going to UK. Now the geolocation will give you the location of where the photo was taken, that is in India, and it also has a lot of details. Now usually whenever we take photos or when we create files or whenever the files are created, they have their own location and details. And in the next section of this course, we are going to take a look at file investigation, where we'll be learning about the XF data. And the geolocation basically allows you to search from the XF data from the file, but this is a collective search, and thus it allows you to search for the files collectively in a hard disk or in a source of data inside an investigation case. So for example, let's do it right away practically on our system, on our case. So for both the options, even to generate a report, you will have to go to the three dots available over here, and it will allow you to generate a report. So there are other ways as well to generate a report for the case, and Autopsy is quite simple and it will allow you to generate a report. As you can see, there is an option called generate report, and it is really good to understand and generate a report automatically, because it has an option to generate a report either with HTML or with PDF. Now once you click on generate report, you will see an option over here. So this is how the geolocation takes, and there are timestamps as well, so you can work around with it. Now generating report is quite simple, and personally I would recommend you to generate a report in HTML, because it gives you a proper location and also the files and file location. So what you can do is you can just head over at the menu on the top, so you can close the case, and there are a lot of options. We are working around in the tool section and clicking on the generate report button. This will allow you to generate a report. Now there are a lot of options in which the report can be generated. So if you are working in a forensic investigation case and generating a report, I highly recommend you to generate a report in HTML format, because it will give you locations of the files, and once you click on the file location, it will also take you to that file itself. And there is an option to generate a report in PDF format, which will have a preview of the file and lot of other options, but I personally prefer to generate report in HTML format, and the report will be automatically generated. So once you hit the generate report button, the report will be generated. So now you have an option to either generate report in HTML format. You can add in a header and footer. You can select the source, and now you can select the tags that you want to add in. So for example, you are generating a report only for the bookmarks or only for, let's say, follow-up tags, and within few seconds it will start generating a report, and it will give you the location of the report. Now you can click on this link once it shows complete. Once you click on the link, it will automatically open up the report itself. So this is how the report will look like, and in the case summary, you will have a lot of details. You can scroll down a bit. In keyword search, you have a lot of things. You have file types and what types of tags that you have assigned. And the best thing is, I recommend using HTML, is because you can see the reports and the files directly, and by clicking on it, you'll be able to do it. And again, the software details and the modules that we have used and all the things, and in the header and footer you can add in the bookmark or details of yourself. So that's all for this video. In case you have not yet scanned the QR code, please scan the same and enroll in the course right away.